Alright, so now we are starting to introduce some formula for integration, right? The first formula that is integral, the integrand with ax plus b to the power of n, alright? Which this one must be a linear, right? A linear. So linear. So if you integrate something with ax plus b, a linear, it must be linear to the power of n, and where n cannot be -1, so then the formula will be copy back this, and n you go and add up by 1 and divided by the n plus 1, right? Divided by the n plus 1 and differentiate the ax plus b, or simply x, the coefficient in front of x. So it's a, alright, plus c. So this is the first formula that I introduced. Okay, let's move on with examples by using this formula. Alright, okay, let's continue with this example. So as you see that why I'm saying that this must be using this example, of course there is a power of 3 here, right? So it's two-way. Either you want to use basic rule, you have to expand this linear by using power of 2, by using binomial, alright, or Pascal triangle, but it's a bit tedious, right? Yes or no? So you want to do that. So for me, I will apply this rule because this is linear, right? Linear. So if this is linear, so very simple, just follow the formula. Copy back, right? Copy back. The power you adding 1 means that the 3 you plus 1, then you divide by the 3 plus 1, n plus 1. Alright. And later a, what is the a? It's the number in front of the coefficient for x. What is the coefficient for x here? Which is 2, right? As simple as that, right? So you have 1 over 3 plus 1. 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 times 2, 1 over 8. So then 2x plus 3 to the power of 3 plus 1, which is 4. And then done, right? Very easy. So let's move on to another examples. Right? Okay, let's continue with this. So, okay, so it's over, right? Over. But you see that this is a linear function, right? Linear function here. So I can take out the 3 and I have 1 over with 4 minus with 3x minus 4 minus 3x to the power of 5. Okay, later because I try to using this formula, right? This formula because I can see a linear here. So there is a linear, right? Ax plus b. So then I'm going to bring this up. It will become 4 minus with 3x to the power of 5 will become negative power, right? So by index law. So later you apply the formula, right? Apply that formula. So copy back. You just take the power, add by 1, divided by -5 plus 1, multiply with the coefficient of x. The coefficient for x here is -3. It's -3. So plus with c. Then you have to apply the formula. So 3 and 3 cancel off. So you will have a -5 plus 1. -5 plus 1 is -4, right? -4. -4 times -1. So you have positive 1 over 4, right? Positive 1 over 4. And this one, -5 plus 1. So as you move down, it will become 4 minus with 3x to the power of 4, right? -5 plus 1 is -4. So power 4 plus c, right? Right? Okay, let's move on to the third examples under this formula. Okay, very simple. This is a square root, right? It's a square root. So you can take out the 9 and you can write the square root to be power 1 over 2. But the most important thing, this is linear form, right? Linear form. So you can apply that formula. So 9, then you're taking 3 plus 2x to the power of half plus with 1, right? Then you divide it by 1 over 2 plus 1. 1 over 2 plus 1. Then multiply by the coefficient of x, okay? Coefficient of x, which is 2. So you're putting 2. Then plus C. Then he have applied the formula. So now you just simplify. You have 9 divided by this number. This is plus 3 over 2. 3 over 2 multiply with 2. And this you have 3 plus 2x, right? 3 plus 2x to the power of 3 over 2, right? 3 over 2. So 339. So you have 3 plus 2x to the power of 3 over 2 plus C. Alright, I've shown you how to using that formula. Okay, so let's move on. So I think that's good enough. So you can try question that relate to this formula.